Hell couldn't slow the sound. They heard us coming before they saw us through all the smoke and the hammering rain. Not with perfection, not without bruises, but with a praise that had outlived the pain. The night through iron, the dark through terror. The air was thick with the threat of the grave. Still rose the sound, raw and unbroken, carried by men that refused to You put a song inside the pressure, not soft or small, but fierce in the lungs. And when we sang, through all the impact, the whole field learned where the victory comes. Hell couldn't slow the sound. It kept breaking through the blows. It ran through blood and mud and fear and rose above the smoke. The more they hit, the more it burned, the more the line resounded. The war came hard but couldn't stop the sound of heaven pounding. Some had been limping, some had been bleeding, some barely holding their shield in place. Still came the anthem, still came the thunder.